Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video from How to Log In. Did you know that you can connect your Instagram account to your Bumble account? From this method, you can also access other people's Instagram profile. In order to learn how to do this, make sure you watch the video until the end. If you open up the Bumble application, you will find various profiles that you can swipe left or right on. When you come across any profile, you can scroll downwards and find various other information about these people. Depending on whether they have connected their Instagram account with their Bumble account, you will also be able to see their Instagram photos. You can either scroll down and see if they have Instagram connected, or you can also look for the Instagram icon at the top left corner of their profile. When you see this icon, this means that their Instagram account has been connected with their Bumble account. You can scroll down and look at their Instagram photos, and underneath you will also find an option to connect your own Instagram. You can tap on this button in order to connect your Instagram with your Bumble account, or you can also tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner to go into your profile menu. Then you can go ahead and edit your profile by tapping on Complete My Profile. From here, if you scroll all the way down, then you will be able to find the Connect Your Instagram button. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to log into your Instagram by either connecting with your Facebook or by entering your email address and your password. Tap on the Login button after entering your email address and your password, and your Instagram account will be connected to your Bumble account. However, to directly access the Instagram account of these users, you will need to match with them first. So that is how you can find someone's Instagram profile from your Bumble application. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.